Civil servants to the Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, ARTUZ, have rejected a $20 pay increase offered by the government. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. PTUZ said $20 is inadequate by ARTUZ and called for discussions about the need for a more substantial review. According to ARTUZ, these leaders have failed to adequately represent civil servants' interests, resulting in what they perceive as unfavorable deals. ARTUZ's statement reads, Cecilia Alexander and her cabal of imposters have made themselves live negotiators on behalf of civil servants. They always bring back rotten deals. The nonsense stops now. Government is advised that we are not accepting $20 increment and the mass action will be announced. Earlier this week, ZVAITWA expressed frustration over the lack of progress in salary negotiations with the government, especially given the rising cost of living. The union accused the government of failing to honor its commitment to convene a National Joint Negotiating Council (NJNC) meeting every quarter. This is today's news about the government offering civil servants $20 pay and them refusing that payment because of the rising cost of living. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.